Welcome to Collaborative Lives in Context, or CLIC, Blackboard Shell Session 6. Again, we will begin by discussing the activities and deliverables for the session. The main activity for this session is to analyze the implementation process. Team members will want to take personal notes during the process for later reflection. Some questions to address during implementation are the following. Teams should be thinking about what worked well in the project regarding the chosen theoretical framework, the PBL plan, and implementation. Teams should also be thinking about what changes they would make to the PBL plan or implementation in hindsight, and what practical implications from this experience and the feedback of your contacts and participants' responses can you provide. Deliverables by the end of Session 6. The team will need to complete the evaluations from site contacts and participants that will be conducted at the end of the project. See the questions in the final project submission checklist that can be found in Session 7 as the key questions to be asked of each contact and participant involved in your project. Also, include each team member's individual responses to the same questions. You may also want to use a survey like this one from SurveyMonkey, to get feedback from your contacts and your participants. Another deliverable for the end of Session 6 is that all planning documents should be in one subfolder. This folder will be referred to as CLIC Plans. All site-ready preparations should also be in one subfolder. This subfolder should be referred to as Project Files. All field testing products and evaluations by contacts and participants should be in a folder within the CLIC Plans under Evaluations. Another deliverable for Session 6 is participation in WebEx 3. This can be done through synchronous or asynchronous participation. Teams will also need to post their project to the Implementation Discussion Forum. One team member can post the project by writing a brief description of the project and creating a link that the other students can use to access the project folder in Google Drive. Once the activities for 5 and 6 have been completed, project executed, target site evaluations completed, contact feedback received, participation in the final WebEx, and implementation discussion submitted, teams will want to begin to work on Session 7's activities and deliverables. Again, it is always a good idea to stay up to date and even work ahead while in the CLIC shell. The teams will not want to rush the process. However, by monitoring the timeline and staying on task, you will find that the project will run smoother. It will also provide the team for time during the last session to really dig in and study their product and identify possible future implications.